What's the meaning of clip-clop? Clip-clop. Clip-clop.
Clip-clop. Clip-clop. Clip-clop is an onomatopoeic word that imitates the sound of a horse's hooves hitting the ground when it walks or gallops. The term is often used to create a sense of rhythm, movement, and atmosphere in literature and poetry, particularly when describing a horse-drawn carriage or a rider on horseback. The sound of clip-clop can also be soothing, comforting, or nostalgic to people who have fond memories of riding horses or being around them. Overall, clip-clop evokes a sense of equestrianism, nature, and freedom.